my first max exam. Chat GPT with me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a video where I'll probably be preparing for my final exams of 4th semester, and you're gonna see how chaotic the life is before exams. So without any further delay, let's get started. Today is 28th of March, and this day we'll be writing our max exam. You know what I have to do in all these days? No, how will you know? You'll not know, right? Yeah, if you don't know, you don't know. Actually, you don't know. So listen, these all days I'm gonna study. Okay? I have my syllabus book right here and my diary of 2024, which I wrote only for like the 1 week you can say. That's how consistent I am, both on YouTube as well as on my diary. This is called self-roast. Okay. So now I'm gonna look at my schedule. I'm gonna see what I've prepared, what I've not prepared, and all that. And I'm gonna see how many days are left and how I have to plan my schedule. And let's have a good plan. Okay, this time we're gonna do good and we're gonna secure good results, hopefully, inshallah. So let's do this.
A few moments later.
So I've started to prepare a plan for myself, but I didn't even understand like how do I plan. So I just ended up thinking to go with the flow. Like मैं रोज पढ़ने की कोशिश करूँगी, like every day I'll study, but मुझे syllabus complete करना है, बस यही मेरा target है. Why am I talking in Hindi? Now अब बीच मुझे syllabus देखो, I felt like max syllabus I'm okay with, so I have to start doing a previous year paper. So abhi I'm gonna take a previous year paper and I'm gonna start doing. Let's see how far we can do this. Wish me luck. And now the time is 9:20 almost. I'm starting the paper right now. Let's see how long it's gonna take and how I'm gonna perform in my first max exam. This is gonna be a pre-final for me, so let's do this. So it's 10:25, correct to 1 hour. So what I was saying is that I completed this exam and it took me 1 hour to complete it, and there was one question which was not printed properly, so I didn't do that, except that all were done. Yeah, I didn't write both of the choice questions, I did only one of them. But next time when I practice, I'll do both the choice questions, because we don't know how the paper will be, we can't expect anything. So doing this helped me know how I'm prepared for the exam. So if you're also confident with some subject, then start doing the previous year paper. I hope I'll complete all my subjects in the same way and be able to answer the previous year paper soon. Hello easy people, today is 2nd of April and on 19th I have my max exam. So it's the time for last 15 days revision. So right now I have my class notes, my syllabus book with me, and I have my phone chat GPT with me. So I'm going to all the topics. If I don't have notes of any topic, I'm trying to make the notes. I'm trying to understand the concepts, all the concepts, and this is the time to start studying the subject. I mean, it's the time for my first revision. I should revise my first time revision in such a way that when I'm going through second revision, I should feel like, yes, I know this and I'm good at this. So that's how what my plan is. It's 10 a.m. right now. I didn't go to college today. Let's start our revision. Wish me luck. Then it was time for a 2-day technical fest in our college.
89 రిజల్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా ఇంత టెన్షన్ ఉండదు ఒక్కొక్కరి మొహంలో ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందా అని.
So a 2 days innovation fair was conducted in our college where a lot of activities like many games, technical quiz, coding competitions, exhibiting different projects and a lot of things were done, and so we participated in very few of them honestly, and we just went to visit other projects and enjoy the technical fest. On the second day, we thought of going from afternoon and get our no due form signed. As exams are getting closer, we need to complete all the formalities of getting the signature, paying the fees, and etc. etc. So after this was done, we attended the fest for a while and then came back home. It's me and my friend wore sharara today. Music padta hai. Divya is changing guys. పెన్ను లేకుండా ఎందుకు వస్తారు? ఒక పెన్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి. యాజ్ అ స్టూడెంట్ ఇట్స్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ టెక్ ఫెస్ట్ గాయ్స్.
మీరు కానీ మీటింగ్ పెట్టారంటే ఎంతమంది అన్న హాజరు అవుతారు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు కానీ సీఎం అయ్యారు అనుకోండి, ఆ ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ ఉండవు, ఆ ఏటీఎంలు గీటీఎంలు ఉండవు, ఒకటే కార్డు కేఎఫ్ఎల్ కార్డు అన్ని గీక్కడనే. మీరు కానీ సీఎం అయితే ఆ ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ లేదు ఉండవు, అన్ని హెలికాప్టర్ జామ్లే ఉంటారు. ఎలా వస్తారు ఎలా ఉంటుంది
చెలియా షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్. ఏమైందిరా ఏంటి नन्ही से जाना हमारी. चलो चलो.
मेरे बच्चे के YouTube चैनल को सब जने सब्सक्राइब.
मैं बच्ची माँ
नहीं माँ, तू मेरा बच्चा हो, मेरा जान, मेरा कलेज. ఇంత చెప్పి డైలాగ్ సార్ చెప్పు. ఫీల్ అవుతాడు
మొక్కలు గైస్. बूमरैंग सस्ता बूमरैंग.
ये सस्ते वाला विदाउट वाईफाई वाला बूमरैंग है.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. चलो चलो सहरी कर लेंगे. चलो
Where is the चांद? Where is the चांद? चांद कहीं नजर नहीं आता है. चांद नजर नहीं आता है गाइस. अरे मैं भूल गई चांद तो यहाँ है.
morning. My mama has named my plant, so its name is Breathe from now. Hello Breathe, how are you? So Breathe says hi and it says to subscribe to the channel. So let's water Breathe. పేరు చూడు కే రక్షిత ప్రతి వీడియోలో నువ్వు ఉండాలి రక్షిత इफ्तार का वक्त करीब है और हम लोग क्या बनाते हैं क्या बनाते हैं वड़े वड़े और क्या डाले कोथिमीर करेपाक एंड हियर गोस द प्याज That's it. How's it? Mama, how's it? Hey, video Hello, good night everyone. It's 12:25 right now and I'm done with preparing for my tomorrow's lab internal exams. Look at how dirtily I've wrote. This is the water jug problem. Look at how hectic it looks, but it's actually a nice and interesting one if we understand. It's a very easy problem, water jug problem. Not so easy, okay? It's a logical problem. That's what all AI is about. It's just logical thinking. So done with my preparation for AI lab and also web technologies lab. For WT I just have the experiment of downloading the exam software, and the other one is PHP arrays, how to sort arrays in PHP. So that's a simple program. So I'm done with preparation. Now I've got to go to sleep. It's too late. It's high time to go to sleep. Okay, see you then. Bye bye. And that comes to the end of this video, and the next part of exam preparation will be uploaded in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And make sure to like, share, subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. You see, making these videos takes up a ton of time, effort, energy, and in fact I'm editing this video while I'm preparing for exams, so please make sure to support. So yeah, that's for today's video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.